Imagine standing on a quiet hilltop, staring up at the night sky. Thousands of glittering points fill the darkness, each one a mysterious beacon from some far-off world. As we gaze at these cosmic jewels, one question burns in our minds. What secrets are hiding in the depths of the universe? What worlds lie undiscovered, slumbering in the vast galactic expanse? What life forms, if any, are out there, waiting to be discovered by our earthly eyes? Every time astronomers uncover a new celestial body, it's like adding a fresh piece to the grand mosaic of the universe. But things get really exciting when they find something hiding in the most remote corners of the cosmos, places we didn't even think to look. In today's video, we're diving into the groundbreaking discovery of the most distant star ever recorded. Plus, we'll explore the latest astronomical discoveries making headlines right now. Before we embark on this cosmic journey, be sure to subscribe to Space Theory and hit that bell so you never miss an update on the mysteries of the universe. And if you enjoy exploring the unknown, give us a thumbs up. It keeps us motivated to bring you more thrilling content. Let's start with something familiar: the Sun. Our Sun is massive, almost 900,000 miles in diameter. To give you an idea of just how big that is, you could fit over 1.3 million Earths inside our Sun. But as large as it may seem, it's nothing compared to a new discovery that completely dwarfs it. With the help of the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists have located a star. Get this, asterisk 50 to 100 times asterisk the mass of our Sun. And it shines millions of times brighter. Just imagine. The light from this star had to travel across the universe for 12.9 billion years before it reached us. That means this star existed when the universe was only 7% of its current age. They've named it Earendel, an Old English word meaning rising light or morning star. The discovery of Earendel is a monumental achievement. Why? Because stars that old and distant are usually too faint to spot. But thanks to an incredible phenomenon called gravitational lensing, we were able to spot it. Think of gravitational lensing like this. If you hold a magnifying glass up to sunlight, it can intensify and bend the light into a powerful beam. In space, massive objects, like galaxy clusters, act like these cosmic magnifying glasses, warping the light from stars behind them, making them appear much brighter than they actually are. Without this effect, Earendel would have been invisible. It's incredible to think that Albert Einstein predicted gravitational lensing way back in the 1930s. But it took decades for astronomers to observe and confirm this effect. Now, it's an essential tool for discovering some of the farthest reaches of our universe. The discovery of Earendel is groundbreaking. It's pushed the boundaries of how far we can see, extending our reach to an unimaginable 12.9 billion light-years from Earth. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope will take a closer look at Earendel, providing us with detailed insights about this ancient star. Could it be part of a binary system, or did it stand alone? Whatever the answer, this investigation is like traveling back in time, revealing cosmic secrets from the early universe. And speaking of time, stars this massive likely exploded long ago in a spectacular supernova. The light we're seeing is the last remnant of a star that lived in an era we can barely comprehend. And that's not the only incredible milestone we've hit recently. Just a few decades ago, in 1992, we discovered the first exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Fast forward to today, and we've surpassed a mind-blowing number. Scientists have now identified over 5,000 exoplanets. It's wild to think that just 30 years ago, we didn't know if planets existed outside our solar system, and now we're tracking thousands, each one potentially harboring its own secrets, maybe even life. What's even more fascinating? These exoplanets are as varied as you can imagine. Some orbit massive stars, while others circle dead neutron stars or pulsars, which spin incredibly fast and emit powerful radiation. The fact that planets can exist in such extreme environments tells us something extraordinary. If planets can form around such diverse stars, they could exist anywhere. And with every new planet we discover, we get one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? But even within our own solar system, mysteries abound. Recently, astronomers detected something completely unexpected on the Sun: high-frequency plasma waves moving at mind-boggling speeds. These plasma vortices travel 3 times faster than any solar waves we've ever observed. What's driving this strange behavior? That's still a mystery. It's like the sun is revealing new layers of complexity we never knew existed, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of how stars work. And just when we think we've got our cosmic backyard figured out, Pluto throws us another curveball. While we've known about ice volcanoes on moons like Europa and Enceladus, Pluto appears to have a form of cryovolcanism that's unlike anything we've ever seen. Massive mountains, crater plains, and mysterious hills have been spotted, but they don't follow the usual rules for ice volcanoes. Instead of spewing molten lava, these icy formations may have been created by slowly flowing water ice that somehow made its way to the surface. What's even more intriguing is that Pluto might be much warmer on the inside than we thought. The heat needed to push ice to the surface suggests that the dwarf planet has been geologically active much more recently than anyone expected. Pluto may be cold and distant, but it's far from being a frozen wasteland. From the most distant stars to the icy mysteries of our own solar system, the universe continues to surprise us. Each new discovery is a step closer to understanding the cosmos, but it also reminds us how much we have yet to learn. What lies beyond the edges of our knowledge? What secrets still await us in the stars? But Pluto isn't the only place in our solar system with surprises. As we peer beyond its frozen surface, the deeper we venture into space, the more we realize how small we are in the grand tapestry of the universe. Think about it. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of trillions. Each one contains billions of stars, countless planets, and perhaps even life forms beyond our imagination. Yet, every new discovery, from the smallest exoplanet to the farthest star, feels like opening a door to the unknown. The deeper we look, the more questions arise. How many of these planets could host life? Are there other civilizations out there wondering the same things about us? Just imagine on a planet light years away, there could be an entirely different ecosystem, one that evolved under conditions we can't even begin to comprehend. Maybe life there doesn't need water like we do. Or perhaps the organisms are silicon-based instead of carbon-based. Or could there be intelligent life? Species that have developed technologies far beyond what we've achieved. Every time we discover a new exoplanet, it fuels the tantalizing possibility that we're not alone. And while we may not yet have proof, the search for extraterrestrial life is more exciting than ever before. With missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and future explorations planned for distant moons and planets, it feels like we're on the verge of something monumental. But what if we're just scratching the surface? Some scientists believe that what we can observe is only a fraction of the actual universe. Beyond the observable edge could be even more galaxies, stars, and planets that we'll never see. Not because they don't exist, but because their light hasn't had enough time to reach us. In a way, it's like trying to map out an entire ocean by only exploring one small bay. What we know today could be just the beginning, and the true scope of the universe might be far grander than we ever imagined. What new cosmic mysteries will we uncover next? Only time, and our insatiable curiosity, will tell. If you're hungry for more cosmic mysteries, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.